Unlock the secrets to transforming your authentic content into a consistent income stream with UGC ads, and I'll show you how. UGC, or user-generated content, is the gold standard in modern advertising, and brands are desperate for creators like you. This tutorial will guide you through the most effective ways to monetize your passion and skills. First, let's dive into the core of UGC: creating content that truly resonates. Think authenticity, relatable experiences, and showcasing products in your everyday life, not just slick, polished advertising. What problems does this product solve for you? How does it fit into your lifestyle? Answer these questions genuinely in your videos. Next, finding those lucrative partnerships. Many brands actively seek UGC creators. Start by identifying brands whose products you already love and use. Visit their websites and social media to see if they have a creator program or a contact for collaborations. Tag brands in your content. When you genuinely feature their products, you might just get noticed. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are your playground. Focus on creating short-form, engaging videos that highlight the product's benefits in a creative and entertaining way. Experiment with different video styles, trending audio, and calls to action that encourage engagement. High-value content is key. This means clear, crisp video and audio, excellent lighting, and a compelling narrative. Show people how to use the product, why they need it, and the amazing results they can achieve. Think unboxing videos, honest reviews, tutorials, and lifestyle integration. Don't be afraid to reach out to smaller businesses. They often have smaller budgets, but are just as eager for authentic UGC. Craft a professional pitch that showcases your audience demographics, engagement rates, and previous work. Let them know what you can do for their brand. Finally, remember to build your portfolio and establish a strong online presence. The more engaged your audience, the more valuable you become to brands. With consistent effort and high-quality content, you'll be well on your way to making money through UGC ads. Smash that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips on earning with UGC.